Master of the Wind, you have come to save us. I'm ready to sacrifice myself for 9 heavens. Fight me. Who is there? Who are you?
I am Liani. This is not the reality. This is just an illusion created by the 9 heavens of kin.
Don't speak nonsense here. Leave right now.
Where are your protectors?
I'm here.
I am over here. Quickly take Priest Liani away from here. Go!
The power of the 9 heavens condense into light. Go!
No! Why? Liani? Even if you're trapped in another world, you still have to reject me.
The Red Lotus Demon turning bones into flesh is just a temporary measure. Only the Red Lotus Demon can keep a body from decaying.
Come on, find the Red Lotus Demon.
Fangyu City is really lively now. I didn't expect the news of Qingnang Fang hosting a music competition. There are so many participants.
Our Fengyu city hasn't been this lively in a long time.
I heard that no one has ever seen the master's true form. I heard that the master is skilled in magic and divination. He can turn paper into horses.
Hey, give me a bowl of wonton. Spicy.
Those are just legends. I think the master might be ugly monster.
How ugly can a monster be?
No, it isn't like that. As per what I have heard, he has handsome personality.
You are a little girl. What do you know?
Ignore her.
Hot
It doesn't
piping soup is
matter.
on its way.
Anyway, we are all here for Master Hongya. Master's music skills are tremendous.
Please join.
And also he's very famous. And also he won so many awards. I wonder he will meet us.
Instead of chatting here, why don't we go and find him in Qingnang Fang? Let's go and find him.
Aren't you also going to participate in music competition?
Every musician is participating. Then why don't you guys?
Where is her instrument?
She doesn't even have an instrument.
Oh, so shabby. A musician going to compete isn't a problem. But this country girl pretending to be a musician. Isn't it ridiculous?
Exactly. How can someone with an unknown identity dare to play Master's music? I feel sorry for Master.
Don't talk nonsense. Is it really that important? Without Nine Heaven Chin, how can one play profound meaning of the piece?
Stop! Aren't you too arrogant? The Nine Heavens Chin is the sacred instrument of the Fengyu priestess. It summoned Q with just you. Don't even talk about playing it. Only fortunate people get a glimpse of it. People are ready to die also.
Ah, I can congratulate you in advance, sister. You're about to achieve your heart's desire. Your wish is about to come true.
How dare you curse me? Be sensible. Apologize to me right now. Otherwise...
Let go of that girl. What's the big deal? Why don't we sit down and talk it over?
Illusions with music? Could it be Master Hongya?
Mama, bad guys are attacking.
Oh my god! Where did this kid come from? If you can't speak properly, then get lost from here.
Wow.
Momo, you're being naughty again. What did I ask you? I asked you to mediate, not to fight. Did you forget? What did I teach you? How can you be so rude to the young lady? My Highness, are you okay?
Master, what do you mean by this?
This was not my intention.
Then what is your intention?
It is. It's. Hey, what have I done to you? Miss, I also don't know the reason why. Please let me explain.
What happened?
I don't know. It happened suddenly. Suddenly I smelled blood and my entire body went numb. I couldn't look away. I couldn't move my feet.
Your heart was racing.
This is just not about heartbeat. It's an emotional response.
Are you trying to be clever?
I'm not trying to be clever. You know your master very well. Such kind of cruel acts I've always despised.
It's boring.
Hold on. Listen to me. Please stay. Huh? Miss, how do you have the Nine Heavens Chin?
How is this possible? This chin cannot be touched by outsiders. This must be a fake chin.
Everyone can see now. It's not my fault. She herself said that one glance is worth dying for.
Someone! Prepare the disciples from all the sects to retrieve the Nine Heavens Chin.
Sir!
You said Master Hongya has been following us silently? Must be flattered on my beauty. Don't you think I'm right, Dahong?
Bouncing on the ox's back, the road to Chin Nan Fang is long, miss. Why not ride on my sedan chair?
I don't think so. Riding in a sedan chair doesn't suit my Lone Ranger personality. It is more suitable for someone tender as you. I think I'm right, Linjun. What do you think about it?
Did you hear what she just said?
Yes.
You said that this is the only way my elegance and style could be showcased like a master.
I don't remember.
Since you don't like it, I won't do it. How about I ride the ox with you, if you don't mind.
Master, do you have no shame left?
What?
When you first met me, you forcibly held my hand, tried to take advantage of me. And now, you want to ride the ox with me? I never thought you're that frivolous. Or you have hidden motives. Huh?
It was really a misunderstanding. I was following you just to understand why you're so fixated on your blood and why are you so obsessed with it.
Oh. Where are you going? What's going on?
Let's go. Let's see where have they gone.
Delicious. Yummy. How dare you eat my dahuang? Huh? You changed into dream grass? That's good. Now I'll eat you to console Dahuang's spirit in heaven.
Don't do this. It's a big mistake.
Huh?
What happened to you, my little girl? Did she bite you? I'm sorry about that. It's gonna be okay. Don't worry. Hey, what's wrong now? Both of you are crying. What's the problem? Let me know. I'll take care of it. What are you doing?
All cattle eat grass.
See, you need to relax, okay?
By the grass.
You just relax. You don't need to cry. Come on, everything's gonna be okay. I'm here for you.
Such a tragic death.
Hey, at least listen to me. What I'm saying. Please listen to me. Don't cry like this. It's not gonna do any good. You need to stop crying right now. Although Huaimo is a rare spiritual plant, but I have treated her like my own sister. I couldn't bear to lose her.
Your sister cannot, but my brother can.
Your brother.
That's right. Although Dahuang was a handsome bull, but I have always treated him like a brother. He didn't let a single mosquito to bite me. He helped me cross mountains and rivers, and I occasionally played flute to him. He was not just a bull, he was my true companion. But now, your sister ate my brother. How can simple condolence make up for it?
See, it's all my fault that I wasn't able to save your brother. But I'm ready to do all that, what your brother would do for you, and replace your brother, to stand in for him and make amends for the mistake involving Huaimo.
I just have one question. Can it be ridden? Can you ride it? I knew you couldn't.
Hey, stop! What the heck?
You are something else. Mother, don't leave Junar.
Ling Chu,
Mother.
what's wrong with you?
Mother. Mother.
What's wrong with you? Junaid, what's wrong with you? Wake up, wake up. This is not good. There's evil spirit energy here. Junaid, play the clear melody spell. It helps calm and focus the mind.
But I don't know how.
Never mind. I'll teach you. The melody of the clear sound is actually a soft sound. Remember, don't pluck the strings too hard or you lose the inner harmony.
What is inner harmony?
Close your eyes and focus on your heart. Tell me, what do you hear?
I hear a heartbeat. What are you doing? Don't stop. I'm eager to learn it.
Listen to the sound of Chin.
Now I can hear it. The chin sound is on the water's surface and among the trees and in the moonlight. No, it's among falling flowers and leaves and in the clear sky. And sometimes it seems it doesn't exist at all.
The louder it is, the less desirable. The beauty of the Chin melody lies in its subtlety. It emphasizes the spaces in between. It seeks harmony with nature and unity with all things. Silence can be more powerful than sound. That's the essence of the clarity melody.
In that case, the music of clarity melody is the sound of purification, while the Nine Heavens Chin's music is the sound of combat and suppression. If I could blend Nine Heavens combat with the clarity melody's purity, then I'll be unbeatable. Isn't that incredible? Thank you, Master. Your music can shake the world with its sound. It's truly admirable. I'm sorry for the earlier disrespect.
You have comprehended the true essence of the melody on your own. I only provided some guidance to you. But the Nine Heavens Chin reacted strangely. It's like the work of inner demons. I heard your nightmares earlier. You miss your mother, don't you?
My father passed away before I was born, and my mother suffered greatly due to complications during childbirth. She has been in coma for years. I came here on my mentor's orders to find a way to save her.
I didn't expect you to be in a similar situation. A person who's alone. But there's no need to be too sad. At least, you still have your loved ones. You're better off than I am.
Is something bothering you, Master Hongya? Do you also have any family sorrow?
Perhaps it's more accurate to say it's been a family mystery. Since I became conscious, I have been wandering this world all the time. And people think I'm heartless, passionately devoted to music. But they don't know that my past is a blank slate. Always has been. I never knew what I am till today. But when I first met you, I was inexplicably drawn to you. Moreover, my musical spirit resonates with your blood. Miss, if you know the origin of this connection, could you please tell me about it?
Help! 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 Somebody help me! Please, please help me! Help! Help me! Please help me! Please help me! Please help me! Help me! Please help me!
Don't be afraid. Well, what is your name?
My name is Little Bean. There are the monsters!
Marvelous, isn't it? This head, it's so round and smooth. Isn't it amazing?
Are you a ghost?
You don't need to know all this right now. Run! Hey, wait for me! Hey, it's a terracotta warrior, protector under the black-robed wizard, relentless evil. 17 years ago, they were suppressed by priest Lian Yi and disappeared without a trace. Don't know why they are here.
I didn't expect Master Hongya to not only be good looking, but also so knowledgeable.
Poemo, what are you doing? Hey, what's wrong with you?
God, why did you hit me? It's okay, we will avenge you. Thank you, sister. How dare you to even touch Momo? Sister.
Fighting with them is not going to be easy.
Be careful and stop talking.
Junar!
Momo, come and help us quickly. All right. Are you scared? Where are you going? Sister, are you guys okay? Is everything fine?
Then go and check.
It hurts so much.
I did not expect that. I'm an old man and have been trapped here for so many years. How does it taste?
Who are you? Introduce yourself.
Hey, little girl, have no manners. I look so handsome. Don't I resemble a person? Shall I reveal my title? Get prepared to be shocked. Feng Yu in the martial world, the divine sword that suppresses souls. Wherever I go, demons get vanished.
Speak human language, please.
The #1 swordman in the world, Mu Feng. Nice to meet you.
So you're the #1 sword in the world. I don't believe you.
Eh? You don't believe it? All right, if you don't have trust on me, but you must believe in the sword behind me. The soul subduing sword.
I've heard of the reputation of the divine sword that suppresses souls. But if you, senior, are truly the guardian of the soul-subduing sword, then why were you trapped here for so long?
Well, actually, it's all because of my carelessness in the past. I fell for the tricks of the Black Robe. He even disguised as my trusted ally. He launched a despicable attack. Forget it, let it be. Let's not talk about it. If crystals wouldn't have been here, my sword wouldn't have got inactive. I wouldn't have got trapped here. Just imagine, a tiger in the plains, a dragon in shallow waters, or a trapped beast, or a fish in dried up stream. I've been trapped here for 17 years by this idiot.
You have really suffered a lot, Master.
You idiot! Heaven places great responsibilities on people, and their hearts and minds must be tested.
Do you agree with that? It was the little bean who pushed you down, isn't it? Is he the Black Robe?
Then we have fallen under his trap. However, that little bean with his rosy lips and white teeth, he has such good looks. How could he be the black robe? And the black robe should be black. Am I right?
Hey, little girl, you are a big idiot. The black robe has no face, and he can hypnotize people. He knows your weakness and makes you lose your rationality.
So what if it's a weakness? What is it to you? Wait a minute. Please back off, both of you. Wow. Impressive.
You are great. Really, you are so smart. Such a genius. Why do you look so familiar? Have we met somewhere? May I ask? Where is your home?
Why are you asking so many questions? You stay away from me.
Hey, are you okay? Is she alright?
Junaid, what's wrong with you? Junaid! Junaid!
Listen, you are still too young. The scene is not suitable for you.
Someone help me!
What's wrong with this girl?
Nine Heavens Jinn absorbed the evil energy of the left and right protectors. And it was stimulated by sword energy again. She is experiencing a backlash.
Nine Heavens Jinn? Listen, backlash of evil spirits is out of the world. I doubt it's difficult to suppress it with your musical power.
Do you have any other methods, Master?
You are lucky today. Fortunately, you met me. Who am I? The great swordsman. No one in the world can beat me. However...
Please, Master, save Junaid anyhow.
Okay. Look at you. You young people, you are so impulsive. Huh? Who is this girl? Why are you worried about her? Huh? Is she your sweetheart? I think we should talk about this first. I've been trapped in this cave for more than 10 years. It's been long since I've talked to anyone.
Master, what are you saying?
In the martial world of Fengyu, there are countless martial arts techniques. Some are good at musical spirit, some are good at sword spirit. Our village, Soul Sword Sect, has always been nurturing swords with their bodies, keeping their sword energy pure, and guarding against the evil spirits. That's right. It can also suppress the evil spirits inside this girl. Hey, she can actually give birth to demonic red lotus.
It's otherworldly and desolate. The demonic red lotus on the Mo shore. This thing is born above the 9 heavens, guarded by the scent of the lotus flower, leading the way for the living and the dead. Master, please use your sword to help me purify this lotus.
Black robe? Quickly, chase! Hey, stop, I can't go on, I can't run anymore. He must be coveting my reputation. He escaped too quickly. An old man who hasn't exercised in a long time.
I understood everything.
Understood what?
In today's Fengyu martial world, musical spirits are hard to come by, and sword spirits are even rarer. To find them is really difficult. I can't figure out what are we going to do, but we'll have to do something or the other. Let's combine our strength again to suppress it and give birth to the demonic red lotus. If we don't make an effort, then they'll easily capture it.
I think you are right. I didn't realize it. At such young age, you have such insight. I'm almost in love with you. But even if you didn't say it, with my sharp intuition, I've already seen through the truth of the matter. That's the style of the Black Robe. So, if you can analyze it so well, then tell me why they stole the demonic Red Lotus.
Don't worry about that for now. Let's go to Chingnang Fang.
Come on, let's get going.
Come on, take it easy.
Lian Yi, I have put my all efforts to find that Red Lotus demon, so I can save you, Lian Yi. You have to wait for a while, so that I can go to the other world and call your soul back.
Momo. Oh, hey.
中秋佳节又在等夜绚丽，我似蝴蝶穿梭于脑际。一句话灯底
Hurry up.
Yeah.
相对一笑，心间生欢喜。
Hey, stop! Don't run away! Got you.
君入星河，如果我梦里，结伴永长安，一路有笑意，恣意别后，尽热相思寄。寻客知我心，百万如织，这山为你，倾涕流血。
Where we should go? Is it the right way? Because of the fog, we are not able to see anything. Does the host even understand hospitality? He sent invitation to invite us here, but he didn't send anyone to greet us. Indeed. Why make it such a mysterious music competition? Is it necessary? Now we have no way out, and the musician can't get here. I'm curious about this music competition.
Ignorance. Traveling the martial world, yet you don't even understand a simple forest formation.
Why she's here? What she's doing here?
Right is day. Mist disperses. Broken.
That was just amazing.
Really?
How she did that?
Chalo.
Let's move.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go, let's go.
Welcome, musicians. Please come inside. Welcome to Chingnang Fang.
Just look at that. Wow, what a amazing.
It's so nice.
Yeah.
So
Indulging in luxury of dreams of wealth, such is life. I think it's quite enough for me. Yeah.
Listen, Jiang, you really lack ambition.
You won't understand, young girl. Today we have wine. Today we get drunk.
Welcome, musicians, to Chingnang Fang. The master has a command. Competition will take place soon. Till then, please rest inside the mansion.
I heard that those participating in this music competition have all come for Master Hongya's music scores. Okay, listen. What is your intention? Are you here for competition?
That piece of music was stolen from me months ago.
What? Are you telling Ching Nang Fang stole your music score?
I have strong suspicions.
Come on. What is the big deal? It's just a music score. Can't you just copy it again? Can't you? Do you still remember it?
I can recite and copy it. It's just that the music is too wicked. I've never shown it to anyone. And I don't intend to as well.
Listen. Why are you here? To accompany him?
It's a coincidence.
Okay, that means you are not a couple. I thought that you two were.
Meant to be with each other.
Momo, please keep quiet and just sit down. Why did you do that, Master?
Sorry. I slipped. My hand slipped. Sorry.
Feelings of love, spoken but unspeakable. Master, I had admired you for a long time. Will you compose the music of life with me? Hey, you! Get down! In front of everyone, sitting on the master's lap. Shameless girl!
Exactly.
Such a shameless. Truly an eye-opener for us. She is shameless.
Indeed.
Why be embarrassed? Can you get master's favor by being embarrassed?
Thank you for your kind intentions, miss. But you see, my hands are too occupied at the moment, so I can't accept it.
You are an annoying girl. You have been using lolly tactics all along. But we are not fools, okay? The 9 heaven chin is a precious. But your character and qualifications, it's totally doubtful that you can control it.
I can't control the chin either. Can you do it?
I also cannot. But master can do. If you have the ability, compete with the master.
I also have this intention. Huh, what do you say? How about we have a competition?
I'm willing to accompany.
Heart like clear wine, as if crying and talking. It's really using wine to dispel sorrow, but it only makes the sorrow deeper. Haven't you seen the waters of the yellow river coming from the sky? I did not expect, little girl, that this music is as strong as this liquor. Cheers!
This melody is too fast. Lacks elegance. Listening like this, won't it lead to a violent death?
Ling! Are you alright?
Are you okay? Master!
Ma'am,
What's wrong with you? No wonder Mo likes to bite necks. So she learned it from you.
What's going on? Everything's okay?
Momo, please take her away from here. Because her blood, it's too fragrant.
Master, how is your injury now?
Just a bit weak. But her blood is so precious. How could I let her get hurt?
Is it only my blood that can help you to recover?
Junaid, don't!
Let's go. Let's go. go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come, 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 come.
Junaid, I'm really sorry. I hurt you, Junaid.
Are you okay, Master?
Is everything okay? Huh? You two finished so quickly. You worked so hard. Just take it, take it. Wipe it off. Take, 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 take.
Thank you so much. What are you doing?
I thought you were thirsty.
Are you crazy?
Why are you doing all this?
Listen, my boy. Ling, I'm doing all this just to confirm something about that little girl. Now, I really want you to help me for this. How is it going? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh no, I can't see inside.
Junaid. Junaid, I wasn't peeping at you bathing. I was only trying to see your face. It's not what you're thinking right now. It's Master Jiang who wanted to see you. I mean, that's not what I meant. I
Stop talking.
stop talking. It's impossible in this lifetime. Make it clear.
You just listen. I want to say something. You have risked your own life multiple times to save my life. And today, you were trying to peep at me. Is it like you are growing special feelings for me?
Junaid, you are misunderstanding me.
Misunderstanding? If it is misunderstanding, then let it go. Master, please leave. Otherwise, with your fragility, I'm really worried for your bride-to-be.
I'm not weak.
Trying to be strong.
Strength isn't just about appearances. You won't know until you try me.
What are you doing?
Be careful not to catch the cold.
Master, are you cold-hearted?
I.
I must have misunderstood.
Listen. Junaid! Junaid, listen to me!
Oh, listen. Wait. Did you see clearly? What's wrong? You didn't sense any emotional fluctuations. That's why she found out.
How did you come to know, Master?
You don't remember? I'm the #1 swordman. I already know everything. Got it? You had already merged your emotions with the musical spirit to take this human form, to protect yourself. So any emotional expression of yours are hard to display.
So you knew it all along.
Master.
Kid, Uimo is your spear, but not your shield. Got it? If you are in trouble, she'll be fine. But if she's in trouble, you might not even have a soul left.
It's nothing. It's my choice. And I don't regret it.
Hey, aren't you going to explain it to that girl? I can clearly see that Huaimo likes Ling Jun.
I know.
Hey!
That's okay. I will do it. Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure. Don't worry about it. I'll take care of it.
Listen, the music trial is about to begin. Where is Ling Jun? Interesting. This Ling Jun girl has become the master of the Ching Nang Fang.
Her eyes are sharp. And her smile is enchanting. I didn't expect this side of her.
I don't really understand.
All of you be patient. The music trial will begin shortly. Greetings, Master. May we begin the music trial now?
Very good. Let's begin.
Master, I have heard that this tune is used for evil purposes, to activate soul capturing array. Can it really avoid harming musicians' lives and help my mother to recover?
I believe it can. She will get cured. What's wrong, Aling? Don't you trust me?
No, Master, I just thought that.
Aling, I don't think so. You have trust on me. You have to trust me. Otherwise, I can turn you into a puppet and hang outside of my window. Aling, you have to play that tune. Got it, Aling?
Master, I'll play this tune.
Nothing will happen. Go.
What's going on? Hey, what's wrong?
It's Shang Yin's secret technique.
You mean that evil tune?
Yeah, this tune captures souls. Its power is amplified when played by the Nine Heavens Jinn. This is a conspiracy.
Why it's not affecting me and Waimo?
This tune only captures the souls of musicians. It doesn't affect you temporarily. Momo! Master, please take care of Momo and get her out of here quickly.
No one is living.
Who are you? Where is Ling Jin?
Master, what is happening here?
Aling, why did you stop? Go, play that tune.
You had said that they wouldn't die.
They won't die. But their suffering will be worse than the death.
Aling!
Master. Are you okay?
I'm okay. But what about those people? They'll be trapped in the nightmares woven by the Nine Heavens Jinn. Endless cycle of life and death. No escape.
Aling! Your mother died because of you. This is the only method to bring her back to this world. You have prepared so much. You have waited so long. Then why? Don't you want to save your mother?
Yes, I want to save her, but not at the cost of somebody else's life. I beg of you. Please stop this.
Stop it! Aling, do you know why I gave you the Nine Heavens of Jinn? Why I taught you the music? Everything, whatever I did, this is just for this moment. Aling, you can't oppose me. Otherwise, don't blame me for not being merciful. Oh no, how did this happen?
I won't be controlled by you anymore.
So you are the one, Black Robe.
It's really you. It seems today I can really settle my scores with you, Black Robe.
Alright, listen to me. Do you have any more secrets in you?
No, I don't. I really didn't mean to hide anything. It was all because of Master's pressure. I'm sorry.
Why do you still call him Master?
All I know is I am the reason for my mother's death. Black Robe showed great kindness to me. He did all that he could just to save her life. But I never knew that it's his conspiracy. He was just using me all this while.
Girl, your face? Yes, your face. Indeed.
What do you mean by this?
Listen, young girl. I'm very much sure that you've been deceived. Your actual surname is Wei Qi. You are the descendant of priest Liang Yi and Yu Qi Kuisheng from our dynasty. The lotus mark on your face that appears in water is the best proof. Got it?
How is that possible?
Nine Heavens Shin. It can show countless connections between past lives and present. If you can clear your mind of doubts and convey your deepest feelings, it will respond to your wishes and take you to the legendary Otherworld to explore it.
The other world? I will try.
I want to share my heart's desires with the Yao Jin. In this fleeting life, so much is beyond our control. Enduring hardships to find answers. In these shallow tombs.
Master, I'm fortunate that I have met you. I promise to always be with you. Is that okay?
Yes. Another hallucination. Nine Heavens Jin. I've protected you for 1,000 years just to find one fated for you. But can you tell me where is my fated one?
I'm here. After 17 years, outside the Fengyu city, there's a wonton shop. I will be waiting there for you.
Junior!
Our child has grown so big now. We should give her a name.
How about Lingjun?
Lingjun. I think that's a great name. Then let's name her Lingjun.
Dad? Mom?
Junior. Your dad likes this name. Junior. It's a beautiful name.
Then let's go with Dad's choice.
Black robe?
Stop it. What are you doing? Nian Wusheng? It is just a piece of silk. You were beating him for this? Wusheng, Master told me about your difficulties. I know it's not easy for you. If you face difficulties in the future, just come and find me. Don't take things without permission. Do you understand?
All right, sister.
If you like it, you can keep it. Now it's yours.
Hey! Calling her sister? You audacious black robe? Don't show me this attitude just because my mother spoke to you. You're insane, utterly despicable and shameless person.
Life and death, yin and yang, destruction and reincarnation. All I seek is a storm upon the world, a black tide to turn, a black wind to reverse, a black wind to reverse, and the demons to torment. Now, I offer my blood as sacrifice. May darkness envelop this land until the day of my rebirth. And the moment till I reclaim Lian Yi.
Please stop!
Brother Mufang, your letter was received. The relationship has been broken today, and the tide surges. I will lead thousands of riders to lay siege to Fengyu City. I hope you remember the kindness to all living beings and come to assist us. We will bury the evil spirits that have troubled the world. My wife faced challenges to deliver this message. Be sure to deliver it to Mufang.
Okay.
Dad!
What's going on? How did all this happen? You have made yourself look so pitiful. Who are you? Why would the Shunmo accept you?
I am the priest of Fengyu Dynasty. Fengyu Dynasty is in trouble, and demons are running rampant. Liani has come here to seek the sacred music from Zunmu tree.
9 Heavens Jin is passed down in our lineage. If it weren't for the Shunmo, controlling Jin would be difficult. But you have a connection with the Shunmo, and I'm willing to form a blood covenant with you. You must offer your musical spirit to the Shunmo, nourished with your blood. In the future, the Shunmu will be bound to your bloodline for generations to come. Never ending.
As long as it doesn't harm my unborn child, I can sacrifice everything.
But you must remember, the power of the 9 Heavens Jin will come at a price. It may turn against you or become your life's tribulation. The choice is yours for all karma. The number of blessings and misfortunes are all determined by your heart.
I understand. With countless choices, I want the best for everyone. Let's form the covenant.
Back when demons were rampant because of the orders of the Black Robe, although your mother triumphed over it, she was consumed by malevolence. To protect you who had not yet been born, your mother willingly sacrificed her life, imprisoning herself in the 9 Heavens Jin's illusion forever, never to be reincarnated for eternity. This was the only way to save your life. If there was no Black Robe, your parents wouldn't have been.
I mistook my enemy for a benefactor. I thought he was genuinely helping me.
I'm sorry. Your mother entrusted you to me, but I fell for the Black Robe's cunning and let him take you away. He kidnapped you. This bracelet, it belongs to your mother. This is for you.
Black Robe, now it's time to take my revenge.
Junaid! The soul capturing formation is ready. You need to leave right now. I will take care of him.
Master!
Let's go. Let's go, Momo. Let's go.
Master, Huaimo was originally a blade of grass under the wood tree, and you nourished me every day by your care and your music. It was because of you, Master, that I was able to take human form and appreciate the beauty of the world.
Momo, please don't do this. Listen to me. Don't go. Don't go!
Linjun, I and Master share same sentiments. You know, he really likes you a lot, Linjun.
Momo! Momo!
And I too really like you a lot.
Momo! Momo! Hold on!
Jin, come here. Ali. Jin, can you hear something? Is it the voice of your mother, Lian Yi?
Master! This is bad. Chin's strings are broken. The evil spirit in the Chin are unsealed. Junaid!
Junar. Mom?
Lian Yi!
Wu Sheng, you have committed countless evils. You should not exist in this world.
Lian Yi, you still don't understand the cyclical nature of this other world, is it? Only I can save you!
Save me? Even if I cycle through this other world, my spirit will endure, protecting the world with a guardian's heart. But you followed your desires, trapped in a tiny space, but you can't escape. What makes you think you can save me? Mom!
Please don't leave me.
Don't. My dear Juna. Juna, I wish I could stay. But I am the Fengu priestess. As long as my soul endures, the mortal realm will be safe. If I don't return, there will be no one to seal the evil spirits. Then, how will I protect you? Tell me. Mom.
Lian Yi, I'll miss you so much. Whatever I have done was just to reunite with you. Why don't you never look back at me, Lian Yi? Okay, I will accompany you. Okay then. Let's turn this world into the hell!
Junaid! Quickly play the clear melody technique. Don't be afraid. I was originally the Shunmu tree and the first string of the Nine Heavens Shin. Willing to give my all with all my strength to protect you for a lifetime.
You can't go like this. Don't abandon me. How can you abandon me?
I love you.
Jonah, let's have some drink.
Master, since you have left, Shunmu tree has bloomed like a dream. Fangyu city is peaceful and harmonious. This beautiful scene all follows your wishes and all goes along with my thoughts. I went to listen songs of distant island, played the tune of ocean tide, and what I realized is this whole world is bounded by love. Cold moon and clear wind, all are dedicated to you. I am willing to accompany with you. Crossing oceans and mountains, I am coming to you.
眉目传清晰，